Alright, this video is for YouTube user Alarm. Oh, what's his username? Hang on. Alarm610. This is a video request by him. Well, it wasn't requested, but I just thought I'd do this. He asked me how I wired up my Radio Shack piezo buzzers, and also I've added fire lights on it, so that's kind of cool. It shines, when I pull the alarm, it shines fire, so why not? I'll show it to you. I'm not gonna bother. I'm not gonna pull it. I did switch the pull stations around. The simplex is over there, but so yeah. But the wire for that, I can't stray too far because when I turned my camera on, I realized my battery was almost dead. But the positive and negative match up there. It comes over to here, comes out, and wires into these for this. Then it goes down into the panel. I'll show you how I've got it wired into here. Once I can get this open. Okay. Notice I've got this terminal block in here. That's got 4 screws. Well, these 2 right here are for the buzzers, and these 2 are for the pull stations. Note, it says 1 and 2 pull stations and detectors, 3 and 4 horns. They're numbered up on the top. So, basically how this works, you've got your power transformer right here. 110 volts AC goes in. It's plugged into my power strip down there. Planning to get a battery backup surge strip for it. And then it comes out as 12 volts. It splits off into 3 wires, but, well, 6 wires, but it's all 12 volts for it. So, the first one goes off to the main power light. The second one goes into terminal 1 and terminal 4 on the screw terminals. And the third goes into the silence light. So, but let me explain to you how this works, okay? So, from terminal 1 on the positive end, alright, you've got this that goes into the test button, these 2 wires here for 1 and 2. Now, sorry about this, it's kind of hard to do this while it's plugged in, but let's see. So, the pull station wires are here, and it just comes in and ties in with the Edwards, so red wire to red wire, green wire to green wire, and it's just on the 2 terminals. So from there, you come to these 2 wires here. This one, this wire goes into this green one. The green wire here and the blue wire here are connected when the switch is set to normal. When it's set to silence, it's disconnected. Then the yellow wire and this blue wire are connected, which in turn goes to the system silence light. So this switch basically cuts power to silence and goes to normal when it's like this. Now it cuts power to normal and goes to silence when it's like this. So I usually set it to normal. And then from there we go to your buzzers. And also to the system activated light on the professional installation side here. Now this side is the user installation, this side is a professional installation for the wiring. So, yeah, so that goes to the system activated. I did make this panel, by the way. It goes to the system activated, and then your negative goes back into the power transformer. You know what, hang on a second. I'm going to put the camera down, and I'm going to go see if I have my screwdriver in here. Maybe I'll take that off. Hang on. Hang on a second, I'm going to get my tripod out too, if I can find it. Alright, I've got the screwdriver and the tripod here, so hang on a second. It'll just take a minute. But yeah, I just thought I'd make this video and show him and the rest of YouTube how this is set up. Alright, now, here I'll start taking this off. Alright. Sorry. Okay, so I don't know if you can how well you can see this. Oh, there we go. But you've got one ground line. Hang on. You've got one ground line and two positive lines from the transformer. The two yellow wires are your positive lines from the transformer, and this one black wire right here is your shared ground. So that's how I've got everything wired up there. And hang on. And so the three wires follow up and just go where they need to go. So yeah, and here's the specs on the transformer. Hang on. There's the specs on it. I'm going to try to get a beefier transformer because this thing doesn't have enough voltage to kick a relay. So, or it has enough voltage, it doesn't have enough amps. It doesn't have enough amps to kick a relay, so I'm going to try to find a different one. But, yeah, so that's really my homemade pull station. And, oh well, why not? We'll do system test 2. We'll start with the Edwards. Silence it. As you can see, it went into silence mode. I'm not going to use my keychain screwdriver because that's a bit too hard. I'm going to use my regular screwdriver here. So hang on a second. And this is a flathead Phillips combo, so... Oh, new thing. Resettable brake rod. What?
Open your door.
Yeah?
You want to pick up a movie. Is there any movie that you want to see?
Mom, I'm taking a video. Not now, okay? No, there really isn't.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Alright, sorry about that. Anyway, so let's see if I can unplug this real quick and do the other one. Alright, I've got 3 minutes on the camera. Here we go. Resettable brake rod also. This is a barbecue skewer. Oh, well, that was stupid. Hello. Sorry. Someone's a genius. Okay. Let's try that again. That's better. The only downer with this resettable brake rod, though, is it holds it in the activated position. So you gotta push it yourself. Just like I believe they're radionics pull stations. I think that's the name of them. So yeah, I'll put it in normal mode again, and that's really it. Alright guys, have a good one.